We use the A-frame to set up for the bear. So if you can remember, hands and knees, hands under shoulders, knees under the hips, lift your butt up. And this is that A-frame. The bear is a walking A-frame. And we're doing the opposite foot to the hand. So if you start and move your right hand forward, about a hand's distance, the left foot moves forward. The other side, left hand, then the right foot. And it doesn't have to be much at the beginning. It's very equidistant. Right hand slightly, left foot slightly, left hand, right foot. The whole time I'm trying to keep my butt up in the air rather than coming forward into more of a plank position. The butt stays up and back. Right hand, left foot, left hand, right foot. Right hand, left foot, left hand, right foot. Right hand, left foot, left hand, right foot. And then you can reverse it. Foot, hand, foot, hand. So the opposite foot to the hand. Coming down when you need to have a break. One more time, the bear. Shoulders over hands, knees under hips. A-frame position, a walking A-frame. Right hand, left foot, left hand, right foot. Right hand, left foot, left hand, right foot. My butt is staying up and pushing back the whole time. The head is relaxed, neck is soft. Just micro movements to begin. If you feel you can walk backwards, or if you need to come down in between, the bear.